In this video, I'll be showing you how to limit any FPS in any game with NVIDIA. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to go ahead and do is right click, go to show more options, and then open up the NVIDIA app, because the control panel, if you're on a newer graphics driver, the NVIDIA control panel is no longer available. Now what you want to do is go over to graphics, which is going to be the third option down, and then go ahead and select global settings, which is just going to be for literally everything. Now, once you're here, all you want to do is select, that's going to be for everything, or you can select program settings for specific games. So we'll just do global settings for the sake of this, and then scroll down to the system subsection with the settings list, like so, and then locate max frame rate like here. Now, all you want to do is turn it on, and then you can have it on whatever you want. For example, if your refresh rate is capped at like 240 FPS or something, you can switch it to that, or I can just type in the value here instead of using the slider. And then all you got to do is click apply, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.